Hey, I'm back with a new Squarespace update. If you have subscription products on Squarespace, you may have been frustrated because you couldn't change the price of those once someone had subscribed. Well, now you can, and I'll show you how.
Right. Oh,
I'm Christy Price. I'm a Squarespace Circle member and educator. And if you look in the description below, I'm going to drop a link to my Squarespace pre launch checklist. That's everything you need to take care of when you launch a Squarespace website. So if you're working on a site now, you can grab it. If you've already launched a site, go ahead and get that checklist and make sure you did everything behind the scenes that you need to do. All right, I am here in a Squarespace website and I set up a subscription product called a Web Designer Survival Box. I wish this was real. I had a lot of fun creating it. So, at any rate, if you have a subscription product and you want to change the pricing for everyone or just new people, now you have the option to do that. So, here's how it works. I'm going to go in and edit my product, scroll down to the price, and it's not obvious here, but what you do is you just change the price. So, let's say I'm going to make this less expensive. My costs have decreased and I'm going to pass along that savings to my customers. So I'll click save here. And you can see that I have the choice of applying to future subscription customers only. So only new people would get this price. So if you're raising your price, that might be something you want to do. Or if you have subscribers already, this won't be grayed out, all subscription customers. So you can click that button if you have current subscribers and apply that price change to them as well. When you're done, you'll hit apply and then it automatically saves your product for you and you can see it updated the price here. So this is a really great ad. Thank you, Squarespace. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like or drop a comment because that helps other people find my videos. Thanks so much, and I wish you all the best with your website.
right. Oh, 12, 12, 12, 12.